and why should you consider studying engineering at Key Stage 4. It's important that you are able to make informed decisions about your choices moving forward. So hopefully during this recording, you will learn more about engineering and be able to decide if it's for you or if it's not. During year 9, so far you've completed several projects that are focused on different areas of the design and technology curriculum. We've looked at wood-based projects, we've looked at plastic-based projects, papers and boards-based projects, and metal-based projects. You will have enjoyed some more than others, and that's okay. But what engineering design is about is the metal-based projects primarily. There is some wood and there are some plastics and polymers within there, but primarily engineering is about metals, metal processes. It's important for me to point out to you at this stage, though, that engineering has a lot of maths and science knowledge and content that has to be delivered. So whereas in year 9 we haven't covered maths at all in your technology lessons, and we haven't covered in very much detail at all the scientific principles of technology. If you were to study engineering design, there are a lot of opportunities and requirements for you to learn about the maths and science behind engineering principles. And it's important for me to make that clear before you start. The course is broken down into year 10, which is a training year, which involves theory lessons with homework and independent study attached to that, alongside practical experiments that build practical experiments and projects that build your skills and knowledge of the theory that we cover. So year 10 is a training year. We can develop your skills and your understanding of the principles outlined in the course specification. Then when we get to year 11, you will be asked to complete a piece of coursework. Now this piece of coursework accounts for 60%, so over half of your grade will be made up of this piece of coursework. You will be asked to design and make a project, and you utilize or draw on all of the skills and all of your understanding from year 10. So you learn, you develop, and then you apply, which is a fantastic way of learning in this course. You will not be given a choice though, and it's important that I make this clear, you will not be given a choice of which project to make. You will be given a problem. You will be given a problem and a design that you then need to develop and make. The exam is worth 40%, and that is at the end of year 11, and that will test you on your maths and your science understanding, as well as the principles of engineering that we've taught you through the course. Now, it's difficult for me to explain just how interesting and exciting engineering is through a video. So please check out our Instagram page, and you can see lots of projects that we've designed and developed in the past. And if you're interested in what you see, I would suggest that you come and speak to us in more detail or sign up to study with us next year. So you've some decisions to make. You can choose to study the VCert, the engineering qualification, on its own, or you can, if you're really interested in technology, study or choose to study the VCert engineering and one of our design technology GCSEs. So that's either graphics or product. So you can double opt, we call it. Or you don't have to choose any at all, and you can leave us at this point. So you can choose VCert Engineering on its own, VCert Engineering and one of our GCSEs, or you don't have to choose any at all. So homework time. I would suggest that you talk to your friends, talk to your families about what you've learned through this presentation, what you enjoy about school and what subjects you enjoy, and what possible career you would like to embark on when you leave us. That will help you understand which subjects are correct for you, and if engineering is that subject, we welcome you on board and look forward to seeing you in September. Thank you very much for your time.